You go fishing? Oh my, okay. Alright, we're going fishing. What's up guys, we're back out at the beach here today. We came here last week to the same spot actually. Didn't manage to get anything. Saw a few guys out here, didn't see any fish. But I just got a feeling that they're here, so we're back out today, same spot. Try our luck again today. The good thing about today is that it's overcast. It's definitely better, in my opinion, when you're plugging in to surf. Just seems to be more fish biting when it's overcast. So we got that in our favor today. We'll see if we can catch some fish. Hey, don't do that. Fish on. There we go. The fish hit twice, and then it finally got it a third time. I think it's a decent striper here. There it is, right on top, right in the wave. There we go. Nice fish there. Okay, now the legal size on these to keep is 18 inches. I think this one's going to be big enough, but we'll measure it just in case. So we'll get my measuring tape. Okay, so let's see here. Got to be 18 inches in order to keep these. This one is just under 21 inches. So we're good to keep it. I'm going to take this one home. Alright, there's our first fish of the day. Nice little striper there. About 21 inches. Good eating size. We're going to take this one home. Keep fishing. It's interesting, that fish, it hit twice, but it didn't get hooked, so it just bumped my line, my lure. And I felt it, but I didn't swing. I just kept reeling. It kept the lure going, and he came back and nailed it a third time, and that's when he got hooked. So we'll see if we can get another one. It'll be interesting to see if the GoPro picked it up. I felt it here. You probably can see the tip of the pole go down a little bit on those hits. Olaf's scaring away the birds from my fish. Good boy. Good boy. Now my setup for today. I went over this setup in a few videos back, my striper setups, but I got 30-pound braid to a power swivel, and then after the swivel is 40-pound mono to another a snap swivel, and then my SP minnow here. That's what I got that last fish on. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's a video where I went in more detail of the setup, but pretty simple setup. If you're looking to go out plugging for some striper, it's pretty easy to set up. My rod I'm using, my rod and reel, I got the Shimano Convergence 10 foot. I think it's a medium action with a 4000 Sahara. And I got 30-pound braid on those. So I'll leave a link in the description below with more details on that. It's alright. Not too bad. Better than working.
No doubt, right?
Oh, saw a little bait fish jump out there. Must be something chasing it. Alright, update. It's about 8:11 now. Been fishing for about an hour. We got one fish, a couple other bites that didn't stick. We're going to be fishing for another maybe half an hour or so, and then we'll wrap it up. Unless of course we catch one more, then it's our limit. We'll head out after that. But see if we can get one more. Alright, this is going to be my last cast. You can see it's getting a little bit dark here. Alright, that's it. Last cast. Alright, we'll do one more cast. Alright. Of course you gotta do one more in front of the parking lot. The real last cast. You ready to go? I think you're ready to go. Alright, just made it back to the car. We had a good day. We only managed to catch one, but we had a couple other bites, and we finally got a keeper, our first keeper for 2017. What did we catch? We caught it on the SP Minute a Day, so I'll leave a link in the description below on that one. And for those of you who haven't done so already, follow me on Instagram, and that'll keep you up to date on all the videos that are coming out. I'll leave a link in the description below for that one. But other than that, we're ready to go home. I think Olaf's tired chasing away all the birds. So we're gonna head home. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching that video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed catching it. Hopefully there's more to come. So now it's for the giveaway. So giveaways ended today, so we're gonna pick a random comment from my one of my previous videos where I caught some striper on Berkeley sandworm. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check out that video. It's pretty cool. But yeah, let's pick a random comment. Alright, so I got all the comments uploaded here. We're just going to pick a random one. So randomly pick winner. And Roddy Yang. So if you're Roddy Yang, congratulations, you're the winner. So Roddy Yang, if you're out there and you're watching, congratulations. Go ahead and send me your name, send me an email. I assume your name's Roddy Yang, but just confirm it anyways. Send it to me in an email, or if you're a follower on Instagram, go ahead and send me a DM. I'll give you a week. So if you don't contact me in the next week, I'll go ahead and choose another random comment. So, but anyways, congratulations, and send me your name. Alright, so that's gonna be it for now. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'm about to edit this next video. I'm pretty excited about it. Should be pretty interesting, even though I don't want to give everything away, but we'll see. You'll see the next video is going to be pretty cool. So anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.